Hey boys and girls, today we will be discussing the identity property of multiplication. And that just means that the product of any number and 1 will always be that number. Or as I like to say, it will keep its identity. But before we start, I want to remind you what multiplication is. Multiplication is just repeated addition. 6 times 4 is just 6 4 times. Another way to say that is 6 groups of 4 if you would like to, or 4 groups of 6. We could also draw a diagram. If you are going to do 4 groups of 6, you need to cut it into fourths, so that means draw 3 lines, and 6, 6, 6, and 6. So that's just a little reminder on what multiplication is. So if we go back down to this identity property, that means the product of any number and 1 will always be that number. So the product, that's your answer, will stay the same as the original number. For instance, if your number is 2, the product will be 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. 400 times 1 is 400. And you can do it in reverse as well because of the commutative property. The commutative property allows you to change up the order. So 1 times 400 equals 400. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 2 equals 2. And that is the identity property of multiplication.